Now see your book, worksheet 3, question number 1a. The hour hand is between 6 and 7. The minute hand is at 8. The minute hand is at 8. So it is 40 minutes past 6. Children, whenever the minute hand is on any number, you multiply 5 with that number. You will get the minute. It is on 8, so 8 5s are 40. And past 6 means 6 hours it is crossed, and yet it is going towards 7. So in words we can say 40 minutes past 6, and in figure if we write it will be 6:40. And if we say this 20 minutes to 7 also, it is correct. We can say it 20 minutes to 7. That is also correct. Now comes number B. The hour hand is between dash and dash. The minute hand is at dash. Children, you can see the hour hand is between, yes, 4 and 5. The minute hand is at 2. So what is the time here? It is, as the minute hand is at 2, so 2 5s are 10. So the time here is 4:10. 10 minutes past 4 or 4:10. This is the answer. You have to write it like this. The hour hand is between 4 and 5. The minute hand is at 2. So the time is 10 minutes past 4 or 4:10. The time is 4:10. Now C number. The hour hand is between, yes, say it. The hour hand is between 8 and 9. The minute hand is at 4. So what is the time, children? Minute hand is at which number? 4. So 4 5s are 20. The minute is 20 here, and the hour hand is between 8 and 9. So what is the time here? It is 20 minutes past 8. It is 20 minutes past 8 or 8:20. Or we can say it that 40 minutes to 9. That is also correct. If we say 40 minutes to 9, that is also correct. You can write it any way. But as the minute hand is at the right side, that is 12 to 6, so we will use the past word, not the to word. So it is past 8, 20 minutes past 8. See children, it can be written like this. The hour hand is between 8 and 9. The minute hand is at 4. So the time is 20 minutes past 8 or 8:20. It will be written like this. Now the next one, D number. The hour hand is between dash and dash. Children, find out the hour hand is between 10 and 11. The minute hand is at 9. You can see here the hour hand is between 10 and 11. The minute hand is at 9. So the minute is 9 5s are 45, and the hour will be written as 10. Because 11 has not come yet, it is 10:45. It is, we can say that it is 11:15. Means we will use 2 word here when the minute hand is from 6 to 12. When the minute hand is from at this side, we can use 2 word. So if we want to use 2 word, we will write it is 11:15. Means 15 minutes to 11. It is 10:45. Isn't it? So how to write this? You can see this. We can write it like this. The hour hand is between 10 11. The minute hand is at 9. So the time is, this is 11:15, and we can write it 10:45. This is 10:45. Now come to number 2. write the following times in numbers. The first one is done. You see, 4:30. We will write, this is written in words, we will write it in figures. 4:30 is written like this. So 20 minutes past 6. How to write it? 20 minutes past 6. 6:20. Hour will be written first, then comes the minute. It is 6:20. Now comes 1:45. 1:45 means 15 minutes to 2. That means, see children, this is the example. 1:45, how it is written. The minute hand is on 9. The hour hand is between 1 and 2. Means it is about to 2. After 15 minutes, it will be 2 hours. So 1:45. You see the picture, how it is looking like. The minute hand is on 9. The hour hand is about to reach on 2. So this is 1:45 or 1:45.